Updating your payout information on Schrödinger Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Schrödinger Cloud website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Payout Information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new payout details, such as bank account information or payment service details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your changes. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout information on Schrödinger Cloud. Make sure to review your details periodically to keep them up to date.